Hey guys, good morning. What time is it? 7:30 in the morning. Hi. It's beautiful day outside. Tapos na yung frost. Hopefully, last na yung kahapon. Like 3 days with very cold weather here. Sabi ng asawa ko, it's not normal because April talaga in Texas, it should be summer or warm. Pero, you know, weather forecasts daw in Texas are just unpredictable. But anyway, meron akong nakuha from the mailbox today. So, ang dami kong nakikita, usually yung mga nag-garden. I just browsed Facebook and then nakikita ako itong item na ito because alam nyo naman guys, when I'm focusing on gardening, pag may nahanap akong mga video like post about gardening, parang like most about gardening ano na sa akin, nagpa-pass by sa aking timeline sa Facebook. So may nakita kong item na I thought it was big, but anyway, this item na nakuha ko last week, binili ko siya from Shein, of course, kasi Shein naman talaga yung aking go-to online store. So this one is a solar fountain na maliit pala siya. Nabudol ako. Nabudol ako sa sa mga video na na-share sa Facebook. Akala ko malaki siya, but this is fine because hindi ko naman to nabili ng sobrang mahal. It's cheap, so it's fine. And I wanted to try this one kasi I saw that post of somebody and it was nice. It has 5 different nozzles. And then this is the fountain I'm talking about. Solar fountain. So hindi pala talaga siya. Ay, bakit so meron. What's this? I don't know. So meron siyang light. So this one, I wanted to really try this one, but as of the moment, kailangan ko kasing linisin yung aking pot kasi meron akong pot sa labas na ginamit nung nag-froze. Kinover ko siya sa plant and I have to clean it up kasi maraming mga suwil-suwil sa gilid-gilid, but I have to use that one. And I already had this thing in my mind what to do, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I am hoping that this one, even if it won't last forever, sana tatagal siya because I was like looking and then like, oh, it's so nice to have one. I really wanted to use this. Hopefully this will work. Well, I'm sure this will work kasi meron naman ako mga nakikitang review doon and they says like, yeah, it's nice and good. Kasi sabi niya meron tong yun nga, light. So let's see. We are opening our sprinkler again. Kasi kailangan ng water yung ating grasses and flowers, guys. What's nice about this sprinkler is hindi na ako hila-hila ng ating hose ba, like yung nakaraan na ginawa ko. But anyway, let's take these. Yung flower natin, it's so beautiful. Ang dami niyang bulaklak talaga. I'm pruning them and then nagmumulaklak siya ng marami. Sobra. Wow. Yes, finally, I got a snake plant. Hindi snake plant yung tawag nila dito guys, but I got one. Because I've been eyeing this for a long time. Sabi ko, gusto kong bilhin. Kaso, namamahalan ako sa price niya ba. Pero sabi ko, sige na nga, kukunin ko na. Kasi ang easy lang pala nito i-propagate. Puputulin mo lang yung dahon and then, ilagay mo siya sa soil and then, meron na namang tutubong bago. Yung asawa ko, kasi sinabi ko sa kanya, bilhan niya ako ng ganito. 25 pounds. Bigat. Gusto ko sana siyang gamitin sa paa ko, guys, pero mabigat siya. This one. Okay. Well, my husband has training today. Morning, 9 to 11. And mamaya, we will be, I think, I'm planning on going back to duplex again para makolect ko na naman yung soil or yung mga compost. Yung compost soil na nandun sa duplex, guys. Kasi, I still have to fill in yung blocks na nilagay ko doon sa tabi. I mean, like, the blocks that I had in the corner where I wanted to plant vegetables, I have to fill it with soil and I have to get more compost. Well, actually, my husband bought me 5 bags of soil last time we went to, hindi ko na malala. We were in College Station. Nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan. No, it's not Home Depot. What are you talking about? Basta somewhere out there in College Station, bumili kami ng 5 bags na soil. But it's not enough to fill that block. Or should I say, no. I should not use the entire bag for that block because that bag has fertilizer in it. And I also wanted to preserve more for other things that I can use for that fertilized mix soil thing. So yeah, I need more compost soil. Parang ako nabuang dito guys kasi every time we go out, I always have something with me. Either bulaklak, bumili ako ng mga seeds. Dito na siya! Anyway, so I am outside right now. Nasa backyard ako guys. I am in the backyard right now. I got something today from Walmart. So nag-order ako online for the first time sa Walmart. Kasi meron silang mga plants na available online but it's not available sa store. Sa Walmart store kung saan malapit kami guys. And then, this 2 item here, separate sila ng boxes, 2 plants. So, kailangan ko munang balikan yung order ko kasi hindi ko na maalala kung anong klaseng plants yung in-order ko. Anyway, so, ang tagal ko na siyang gusto. Like, meron ako mga nakikita na mga bahay na merong ganito na plants, pero yung sa kanila guys is sobrang haba na or malalaki na. And, it looks so nice. And, binili ko siya. So, this one is actually Emerald Green Arbor Vitae. Tama ba itong sinasabi ko? Please, correct. Mali ata yung sinabi ko guys. Pero shrub siya. And it looks like this. This one. So, hopefully, it will be the same as this picture na nakapost online. And I'm just so excited. Marami silang good review about this. So, let's unbox this one. First time, natatawa ako kasi like, sa obsession natin, nagiging obsession ko na talaga itong pagbibili ng plants. Hindi ko alam. Parang, hindi pwedeng walang plants. Oh! Alright. So, again, hindi ito plastic ha. This is not artificial plant. This is real live plant. Alagay! Nakita ko na yung dahon. Ay! Alive na alive talaga siya. Ang sabi niya, plant open from bottom. Ay, bottom pala. Hindi ko inano. Dapat sa bottom pala mag-open. Dito po. Parang siyang Christmas tree. Pero hindi siya Christmas tree. You know what I mean? Parang siyang Christmas tree. Pero hindi siya Christmas tree. Ay. Pwede ba ayugan? Baka hindi. Okay, tada! Ay! Nice. Okay. Parang akong buwang. Basta plant na talaga pag-uusapan, para na talaga akong buwang. Ay, very nice. Okay. Kailangan lang natin anuhin kasi naipit. Pero maganda. Ano kasi sa akin, hindi ko mahanap siya mismong Walmart dyan sa store malapit. And they have it online. Sabi ko, bilhin ko na. Kasi gustong gusto ko talaga to. I like this one. Pwede natin ito lagyan ng Christmas light pag Christmas. During Christmas. Kasi para siyang Christmas light. Christmas light. And then yung isa, it's the same. Oh, yun. Pag-lumipat. This one. This is about $13 or $14 each. So, hindi siya ganun ka-expensive. Well, expensive siya in my standard. Pero, para sa asawa ko, hindi siya ganun ka-expensive when it comes to plant here. Sabi niya. Pero, namamahalan ako guys, pero gustong gusto ko. And, you know, investment na rin yung plants guys. Actually here sa US kasi, if you're investing into like properties, it's also part of investment yung landscaping ng bahay. When you have a beautiful landscape, when you're about to let go of your house, benta mo sa iba, added value sa price ng property mo. So, hindi siya, it's not a waste of money buying this plants actually. Kasi if me and my husband is gusto naming or we decided to leave or move and then iparent na naman tong apartment, ipaparent tong bahay na to for somebody else, and it will be mas malaki yung isa, but anyway, it's okay. Parehas naman sila na healthy. That's what I want. Gusto ko lang talaga meron akong ganito na healthy. Oh, yun, healthy. Ay, thank you so much naman. How many? 1? Ilan ba to? Ay, 2. Ang saya. I wanted to see all my plants grow. For now, maliliit pa sila or puro na lang mga dahon-dahon and puro dahon pa for now. Pero I'm sure like a year from now, lalabong or lalaki yung mga ganun. Alam ko, may changes talaga. Bakit parang maliit yung ano niyo? Yung asawa ko naman, naman yung asawa ko, like, ikaw, Jude, sige ra palit og tanaman. Pero wala siya mahimo. At the end of the day, wala siyang magawa. Wala siyang magawa kasi ito yung happiness ko eh. And he will benefit from this. Alam niyo guys, yung mga asawa, no, mga bana, but sige ra palit og mga tanaman, pero mamulak may imong tanaman, may imong na yung wow. Nice kay imong tinaman. Kelly! You like it there? Nagpapaano na naman tong asong ito. She wants to stay there daw. Sige, bye-bye. We're gonna stop by the storage or next time only?
We'll do it next.
Okay. We're going to pick up Yashli. Well, it's your mom. It's not mine. Hi, girl. Hi. Gali. Yashli is home. Yashli is home. Yashli is home. Yashli is home. Nag-sunbathing. Raba ni siya ganiya sa ano? Sa backyard. Nag-sunbathing ni siya. Ganan ka siya galigid-ligid sa init. No. Marapag nag-beach. Marapag nag-beach? Sana all. Ay, bata din nga wala galibyo sa iyang. Tingnan niyo yung.
Yung expose. Hawa.
Hawa kay? No, this is reality show. Real life.
Guys, that's edit. She just wants you to hate me.
Kadramatic mo niya akong anak ko. What do you have?
My chocolate. Only for me.
Only for me. Who buy it? Who bought it for you?
Me.
Huh? You're not bunny?
Own $5.
What time is it? 4:40.
I heard ice cream.
This is not ice cream.
No, I
I
heard
just
ice
opened this
cream.
one this morning. I got this from. Come on, Kali. Out. Come. So, do you know what this is?
No.
This is solar fountain.
Ito na.
So, what we're gonna do? Wait, stay there lang.
Kuning!
I'm gonna use this.
I heard ice cream. I forgot na nami work buhaton karon. Nasa Google Classroom.
So I'm gonna fill this with water.
Oh.
This is just a sample. Are you excited? This is how it looks like. And then we're gonna use one of the nozzle. Come on, we already put, well, that's not enough water. It's supposed to be full, but let's try this.
Ito na.
Ano, lagi solar fountain. This one. Put it back. Yeah, it's solar.
So, unsay kailangan?
Ano lang siya. It just need lights. And it works like that. It's not very high. Okay, it's, ano lang naman yan. Ano lang ba? I just wanted to have something outside. And this one is light for evening actually. This one,
Wait,
oh,
isink
it has
daw,
light.
isink daw.
Ayaw. Ano ron?
Kusog ang tawid ko missing. I think.
No.
Kusog ah?
Ah, it's very nice. I like that one. Nice fountain. Uy, gidula. Say it again. What are you gonna do with Kali? Nothing. We're waiting for Nicole. What time is it? 5. Naunsa mo akong camera. What happened? 5 p.m. And itong aso namin na gusto talaga yung sa labas. She really wants to stay outside ngayon. Oh, gihal-hal lagi. Luto siya something else. What? It's almost 7. Hayag pa kayo sa gawas. Hi, Chef Nicole. What? Gusto daw niya i-vlog siya, guys. Marami niya gusto. Pansit ka to. Chef Gapon. Ano wala man naman nag-isabay? Isa mo lang ako. Hindi kaya? Kapoy ko, I'm tired. Gibungkal na ako ang grasses. Yung mga grasses doon sa block. Kinuha ko kasi yung asawa ko. Nagreklamo kay gitabunan na ako ba soil. And then, sabi niya, sobrang mahal ng grasses dito. Tapos, parang tinapon mo lang yung grass. So, binungkal ko, guys. Dadali namin siya sa duplex para doon namin itanim yung grass. And then, andun sa box. Ipaningot yung kay kuwa. Nagikubal na akong kamo. Kaya ayaw ko magpa-nail polish talaga kasi it's a waste of money. Dahil yung kamay ko pang farm yung kamay ko, guys. Hindi ito pang pang cheeks. Hindi pang cheeks yung asawa ko na sa garage. Naglilinis or organize ng kanyang gamit kasi pupunta ata kami storage again. Dahil may mga gamit pa siya sa garage na kailangan ilagay sa storage. Anyway, pinapahanap niya sa akin yung yung para sa ano bang tawag nito? Pang read ng blood pressure ba? Pero hindi ko alam saan niya nilagay. Yun lang, hindi ko alam. Dito. Hindi ako sure. I'm going to show you something. Something magical. Are you excited? I'm going to show you something magical. Are you excited? You wanna see lang for a while, like few seconds. Outside, in the yard, backyard. Ibutang sana. Ay, you can take it with you. Grabe gini. Nag-crave ng yan? Pansit canton? Sa baan mo ba? Okay, open. Ay, what ay chinilas. Where's my skipper? So, yun siya galantaw. Sige, makag-focus sa imong ano. Taas pa kay ka na ko, te. Look. Okay, shock moment. Like, ana, wala. Di ni maayo surprise pa ta kay wala. Walang shock moment. Here, oh, it's still working. By the way, there, na siya light for night. Bastos. Panggabi na siya. Ambot, di siya mo light karon. Di ka tama. Akin yung pants niyan. Kelly. Ngilog siya pants, no? That's mine. Not hers. Stretching man, Kelly? Murag lami siya. Giduhan lang ito nimo. Guys. I'll show you guys, ha. Ngit-ngit na dire. It's dark. Look. Nag-open na yung light niya. Cute, no? Very cute. Diba? Ayan, kahit wala ng araw, nag-work pa rin yung ating fountain. So, hopefully this is going to work. Do I have to get it and put it back or dyan lang yan? Ang ganda, no?